How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This video today is gonna be focused on how to lower your music when you're talking in your videos. In a more easy way, obviously. I'm gonna show you everything that you need to do. So let's get right into it. As you guys can see in this video, you can see how I have my regular audio and my music. The first thing that you need to do is go to audio tab, and then you're gonna select the whole video part that you're talking. You're gonna select that video part and tag it as a dialogue. Then you're gonna go to your music part and tag it as music. The first thing that you need to do after that is just click on docking, and then here you just have to figure it out, the sensitivity, duck amount, fades. That's all depends on the video that you're recording. So most of the time I always put this in like an A or something like that. The duck amount is just the volume that you want to add into the music, and the fade is how the music is gonna start lowering down or going up. So I always put around there most of the time, and then you generate a keyframe and automatically does everything for you. You're gonna check it out now. How's it going, YouTube? So today I bring you everything that you need to start your own YouTube channel. All the items that you actually need even for your phone. We have mics, lights, tripods. Everything I'm gonna show you today is no expensive at all, and you guys are gonna be able to get it in even Amazon super easy. Okay, so let's get into it. So that is all that you need to do, guys. It's super easy to do, super fast tutorial like always. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and leave a like. Bye bye.